Do you want to save the planet? There are many things you can do. Of course you can hug a tree.
This is awkward.
But there are other things you can do. When my clothes don't fit anymore, I pass them down to my little sister.
This is a little too big. Instead of driving to school, we walk to school. It's better for the environment.
We also use these reusable mesh bags for our fruits and veggies. No more single-use plastic. Do you know what happens to single-use plastic bags? They usually end up in the ocean.
Or in an animal's stomach.
Now that's just terrible. We use and reuse these wonderful mesh bags. They're even machine washable. We love them so much we think you should get a set. Visit reusebags.net to make a better planet. Reusebags.net.
Net, get it? Net.